Flipkart, a company that gives a fresher package of 32 LPA and pays intern a stipend of 1 lakh per month. If you are a college student and you want to work at a company like Flipkart, this is an opportunity you should absolutely not miss out. Because guys, Flipkart has just announced Flipkart GRiD 8.0, and in this video I am covering everything: who is eligible, the complete process round by round, the exact free resources to prepare with. Stay till the end because I am also going to tell you the one mistake that gets 90% of applicants eliminated in round 1. And before we dive in, if you are interested in opportunities like this, AI and tech, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Now let's go. So what exactly is Flipkart GRiD? Flipkart GRiD is India's largest engineering challenge for college students, and this year it's the 8th edition. It's run by Flipkart, one of the India's biggest e-commerce companies, and it's bringing together thousands of students from engineering colleges across the entire country to solve real Flipkart business problems. This is a hackathon that gets converted into internships or job opportunities at Flipkart. Past winners from GRiD have gone on to become actual software development engineers at Flipkart. Now let's discuss eligibility criteria for this. Eligible degrees are BTech, BE, MTech, ME, MS, PhD, dual or integrated degree programs. And if you are a bachelor or master student graduating between 2027 and 2030, you are eligible. PhD and dual integrated degree students graduating between 2027 and 2031 are also eligible. And colleges, this is the best part. There is no restriction by college ranking or location. IIT, NIT, State University, private college, doesn't matter. Everyone competes on the same playing field. And registration is completely free. And right now, registration is open. It started on June 19, 2026 and closes on July 7, 2026 at 11:55 p.m. It has 3 tracks and you can apply to 1, 2 or even all 3 of them. Track 1 is software development for people who love building systems, writing clean code and solving engineering problems at scale. Track 2 is AI engineering for those interested in building AI-powered applications, working with large language models and designing intelligent systems. This is brand new track for GRiD and honestly the most exciting addition this year. Track 3 is data science for people who work with data, build analytical models and pull insights from the complex data sets. Shortlisting happens independently for each track. So if you are strong in 2 areas or all 3 of them, apply to multiple tracks. Generally doubles your shot or triples your shot. Now let's discuss the complete process. It has 4 rounds and each one is a qualifier for the next one. Round 1 is screening. Your academic records, any non-academic achievements and your overall profile get evaluated here. This is where a lot of people get filtered out. So don't leave your profile half-filled. Add every relevant project, every certification, every hackathon you have done. Strong candidates move forward from here. Round 2 is coding assessment, a 90 minutes procured online test evaluating your coding ability and technical aptitude. How many test cases you solve correctly determines whether you move on. This is a pure DSA based round, data structures and algorithm, and I will give you the exact free resources to prepare for this in a minute. Round 3 is case study and code. This is where it gets real. You are given an actual Flipkart business problem and your job is to design system level technical solution and submit working code for review. This round separates people who can just code from people who can actually think like engineers. And past winners have specifically said that this round is less about technical complexity and more about how creatively you solve a real world problem. Round 4 is the finals round at Flipkart headquarters, Bengaluru. The top 48 candidates, 16 from each track, get flown out to Flipkart's headquarters. Team of 4 are formed on the spot and you can compete in a live hackathon to build a working prototype, which you then present directly to the Flipkart's leadership team. Travel and stay are sponsored. So now let's discuss free resources from which you can prepare. For coding round, focus on DSA, data structures and algorithm. You can prepare it from Lead Code for Geeks. Lead Code is best for structured interview style DSA practice. Start with Lead Code 75 study plan if you are early in preparation, or Top Interview 150 if you want company ask questions specifically. Then is Geek for Geeks. Incredible for topic-wise practice, they have structured challenge called GFG 160. 160 days of consistent problem solving, which is perfect if you want a daily routine leading up to July. And the last one, Striver Sheet from Take You Forward. For system design and case study round, you want to understand scalability, load balancing, caching, and database design. For system design, you can check Hello Interview's website, they have beautifully explained everything. And God of Sales YouTube channel. I have attached all the links for free resources in the description box and you can check from there. One thing that matters more than people think, have a working full stack project on your GitHub. Judges in round 1 and round 3 want to see that you can actually ship something. If you don't have one yet, this is your sign to build something in next 2 weeks before the deadline. For interview style rounds, use STAR method: situation, task, action, and result. When you are in explaining any project or past experience, it's free, it's simple, and it instantly makes your answers sound structured. So now let's discuss the prizes and rewards which you actually get. First position gets rupees 1,25,000. Second position gets 75,000. Free certificates for every qualifier. If you qualify for round 1, round 2, or round 3, you get an official Flipkart GRiD certificate, which you can add in your resume or post on your LinkedIn, even if you don't make it to the finals. The top 50 performers across all tracks get featured on Flipkart's own platform as India's premier emerging talent. That way you get more visibility. And then the career opportunities, which is the real prize. If you are a final year student, you are considered for full-time software development engineer roles and winter internship at Flipkart. If you are third year student, you are considered for summer internships. And this is real. Past GRiD winners are literally working at Flipkart right now as full-time engineers. You can directly land into tech career at one of the India's largest companies. So registration closes on July 7, 2026 and it's done through Unstopped. The link is in the description box, and if this helped you, drop a comment telling me which track you are applying for: software development, AI engineering, or data science. I want to know, and if you found this video helpful, subscribe and I will see you in the next one.